Inna salata kanat alal mu'minina kitabam mawquta. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala is commanding in the Quran that surely the salah, the 5 times daily prayer, it's upon the believers obligatory with the prescribed times. So Fajr, Zohar, Asr, Maghrib, Isha. This 5 times prayer is prescribed by Allah to the believers on a particular time, on a prescribed time. And you must need to comply this. And it is for the believers. So it means that if somebody is not taking care of this, he's not a believer, he's a disbeliever because he don't mind about the timing of prayers. The Fajr time when the morning starts until the sunrise, it is a time that you need to fulfill this obligation of praying the Fajr. 2 rakat before Fajr and 2 Fajr. Zohar time is when the sun is in the 90 degree and it started to fall, the noon time. That is the Zohar time. 4 rakat of Zohar. Before Zohar 2 rakat, after Zohar 2 rakat is non-obligatory. Zohar Asr can be combined if needed. Or especially in the travel, it can be combined and shortened from 2 rakat to from 4 rakats to 2 rakats. Asr time, if combined with Zohar, if not, then Asr time is when the sun reaches the 45 degree afternoon. Let's see, the Zohar time is 12 and the Maghrib time, the sunset is 6 p.m. The Asr will be 3 p.m. In between the Zohar and Maghrib, it's the time of Asr. Same thing if you want to combine Zohar with Asr or Asr with Zohar. There is a hadith for this to combine the Zohar and Asr. Maghrib time is up and the Asr time is until sunset. After the sunset, it is the Maghrib time commanded by Allah. And again, the Maghrib and Isha can be combined. Or Maghrib time after sunset until it becomes dark, that's already Isha time. And when the dark night, until the midnight, it is Isha time. And after Isha, until Fajr, it's already the Tahajjud time. So you can pray Tahajjud after Isha until Fajr, before Fajr. That's already Tahajjud time. There is a Tahajjud and there is a Witr. At least you can have 2 rakat of Tahajjud and 1 Witr. It could be 8 rakats of Tahajjud and 3 Witr as practiced by the Prophet Muhammad Sallallahu. So remember this, if we are believers, we should have to pray 5 times a day. Fajr time is starting when the morning comes, when the light is coming out, until the sunrise. When sun rises, it's finished the time. You lost your Fajr. You must pray Fajr before sunrise. It is the command of Allah. If you're not going to do that, then Allah will question you on the day of judgment. Why you disobey Allah? So there is no excuse for anyone to not to pray Fajr before sunrise. Sunrise is the ending time of Fajr time. Put in your system that I need to pray Fajr before sunrise. So always, inshallah, follow this for our salvation, for our security. If we pray, then we are protected by Allah in this world and in the hereafter. So make it sure that you are going to pray 5 times a day on time.